Before TransPerfect, we were kind of like the Wild West in terms of localizing our content. There were 60% of our websites that were outdated or not even translated. And being able to make sure that we are marketing not only what we want in the way that we want, but marketing to the customer in the way that they want is invaluable. MicroStrategy is a business intelligence software company. We focus on delivering business intelligence analytics solutions to enterprise-sized companies in every industry. After choosing TransPerfect, one of the implementation steps is to create a translation memory and a branding guideline for each individual language. We already had all of these different pieces floating around out there from all of those different translation vendor relationships that we had. We wanted to make sure that we used all of those valuable assets to make the best possible impact from there on out. With TransPerfect, that worked out really well because we were able to use Kentigo, which is our CMS. And one of the major things that we loved about TransPerfect was that it has a native adapter. I use TransPerfect on a daily basis to translate 6 domains into 10 different languages. Each of those domains has around 100,000 web pages. So we're really dealing at like a massive scale. Every single web page would take on average 36 resource hours. After implementing TransPerfect, now we have an average of 2 hours for each resource to approve a single web page. That's 90% productivity increase. There were times when we didn't know exactly how to implement a solution. When we first started, Portuguese was being translated into Portuguese. TransPerfect came to us and said, hey, do you realize that most of your content in Portuguese is being consumed within South America? So we were able to make that shift within a month of deployment and iterate on it. So things like that, knowing that TransPerfect has our back when we don't even know what's back there is like pretty cool.